Welcome to our Keto-tastic guide on how to start the keto diet and see results. Are you tired of feeling like a bloated balloon animal? Want to become a lean, mean, keto machine? Then strap on your apron and get ready for a wild ride. In this video, we'll take you on a journey from cleaning out your pantry, goodbye, carb-loaded snacks, to tracking your macros like a pro. Hello, bacon. So grab your avocados and let's do this. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the keto diet. At its core, the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet. But why is that important? Well, by reducing your carb intake and increasing your fat intake, you're forcing your body to switch from using glucose, which is derived from carbs, for energy to using ketones, which are produced when your body breaks down fat. This process is called ketosis, and it's what makes the keto diet so effective for weight loss and other health benefits. But here's the thing, our bodies are used to using glucose for energy. So when we drastically reduce our carb intake, our bodies go into a bit of a panic mode. Where's all the glucose? Our bodies cry out. But fear not, because when your body is in ketosis, it becomes a fat-burning machine. It's like the ultimate body transformation, from a carb-loaded couch potato to a lean, mean, fat-burning machine. And here's another fun fact. When you're in ketosis, your body produces ketones, which can actually provide some pretty amazing benefits. Ketones have been shown to improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and even help with certain medical conditions like epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. So, in a nutshell, the keto diet is all about training your body to use fat for fuel instead of carbs. By reducing your carb intake and increasing your fat intake, you're forcing your body to go into ketosis, where it becomes a fat-burning machine and produces all kinds of amazing benefits. Pretty cool, right? The keto diet. It's like a magical land of bacon, cheese, and butter. But let's be real here, it's not just about stuffing your face with all the fatty foods you want. You still need to make sure you're getting enough protein and keeping your carb intake low. It's all about that macronutrient breakdown, baby. Ideally, you want your diet to be around 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. Now, I know what you're thinking. But that means I can only have, like, one slice of bread a day. Well, yeah, pretty much. But trust me, once you start seeing those keto results, you won't even miss that bread. And if you do, there are plenty of keto bread recipes out there to try. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you with all this talk of macronutrients and tracking your food. We'll go into more detail about that later. But just remember, the keto diet is all about balance. Yes, you can indulge in all those delicious fatty foods, but you also need to make sure you're getting enough protein and keeping your carb intake low. It's like a delicate dance between bacon and broccoli. Alright, maybe not broccoli. Let's go with cauliflower. Bacon and cauliflower. Much better. Okay folks, let's get real here. The best part of the keto diet is discovering all the amazing keto-friendly foods out there. Say goodbye to boring salads and hello to bacon-wrapped chicken, cauliflower crust pizza, and avocado toast. I mean, who knew you could make a pizza crust out of cauliflower? It's like a whole new world of possibilities. And let's talk about desserts, shall we? Just because you're on a diet doesn't mean you have to give up on sweets. Oh no, my friends. That's where the magic of keto desserts comes in. We're talking fat bombs, basically just little balls of fat, but trust us, they're delicious. Keto cheesecake, yes, it's a thing, and even keto ice cream, made with coconut milk and sweetened with stevia. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Not us, that's for sure. But here's the thing, just because these foods are keto-friendly doesn't mean you can eat them all day, every day. Remember, the keto diet is all about balance. So sure, indulge in that bacon-wrapped chicken every now and then, but make sure you're also getting enough veggies and protein in your diet. It's like a game of food Jenga. You want to stack all those delicious foods on top of each other, but you also want to make sure your tower doesn't come crashing down. So go forth and discover all the amazing keto-friendly foods out there. And don't forget to save some room for dessert. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. Alright folks, it's time to talk about tracking your macros. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is a macro? Is this some kind of new sci-fi diet? Fear not, my friends, tracking your macros is actually pretty simple. It's just a fancy way of saying you're keeping track of your fat, protein, and carb intake. But don't worry, you don't have to do this on your own. There are plenty of tracking apps out there to make your life easier, like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer. Just log in your meals and let the app do the math for you. It's like having a personal dietitian in your pocket, except way cheaper. And if you're feeling lost in the world of tracking your macros, just remember this simple rule: when in doubt, add more cheese. It's a scientific fact that cheese makes everything better. Feeling hungry? Add some cheese. Bored with your meal? Add some cheese. Just feeling extra cheesy today? Add some more cheese. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. So go forth and track those macros, my friends. And don't forget the power of cheese. It's the not-so-secret ingredient to keto success. Alright, folks, let's talk about the importance of staying hydrated on your keto journey. I know what you're thinking, but water is so boring. Trust me, I get it. But here's the thing. Water is like the secret sauce to keto success. It helps flush out those toxins, keeps your body running like a well-oiled bacon-making machine, and can even help with those pesky keto flu symptoms. But why stop at water? If you really want to up your hydration game, try adding in some electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Not only will they help keep you hydrated, but they can also help prevent those dreaded keto flu symptoms. And let's be real, who doesn't love a little extra sodium in their life? It's like adding a little extra pizzazz to your water. And who doesn't love pizzazz? But here's a pro tip. Don't just rely on sports drinks or electrolyte powders. Get those electrolytes from real food sources, like bone broth, avocado, and spinach. That way, you're not just hydrating your body, you're also getting in some extra nutrients. It's like a 2-for-1 deal, but without the hassle of clipping coupons. So stay hydrated, my friends. And remember, water may be boring, but it's the key to keto success. And if all else fails, just add some extra sodium. Your taste buds will thank you. But let's not forget about the other important part of the keto diet: exercise. Yes, even on the keto diet, you still need to get off your butt and move around. But the good news is, you don't need to spend hours in the gym every day. Just find a form of exercise you enjoy, whether it's jogging, yoga, or lifting weights, and aim to do it for at least 30 minutes a day. And if you're feeling extra ambitious, try doing some high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to really rev up that fat-burning engine. And finally, let's talk about meal prep. Meal prep is key to staying on track with the keto diet. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can make sure you're getting the right macronutrient breakdown and avoid the temptation to reach for those carb-loaded snacks. Plus, it's a great way to save time and money. Just cook up a big batch of keto-friendly meals on Sunday and you'll be set for the week. And if you need some inspiration, there are plenty of keto meal prep recipes out there to try. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to start the keto diet and see results. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming a keto pro in no time. Just remember to have fun with it, embrace the fat, and don't forget to share your keto creations with us. Who knows, you might just inspire someone else to take the keto plunge. Until next time, stay keto and keep it epic. And if you're still not convinced, just remember, bacon. Lots and lots of bacon. And that's it, folks. You are now officially keto pros. Give yourselves a round of applause, you deserve it. But before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Because let's face it, who doesn't want more of this amazing keto content in their lives? And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We love hearing from our fellow keto lovers. And who knows, your comment may just inspire our next keto creation, bacon-wrapped avocado. Anyone? So thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay keto, stay hydrated, and stay fabulous. Until next time, keep on burning that fat and living your best life.